We are live in the stock market right now. We called TRKA stock at 18 cents. After hours, the stock is now climbing to 27 cents on May 15, 2023. No one could have predicted this. Over 6 million shares of TRKA were just purchased after hours. We made a video on May 10th. We made another video on May 13th telling everyone that this TRKA was short squeeze. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss another short squeeze. Monday, May 15th, TRKA finally short squeezed. We announced when to sell. Captain Q turned his $5,000 Roth IRA account into $10,000. He doubled his account using exactly what he taught him. He said, coach's teachings really work. You just got to stick with the teachings and get over 25K. Then you'll be golden, right? Then you'll be golden. GTII, as we predicted, is down. The stock is down 33%. Why did I call out TRKA and say that GTII would dump? And why did TRKA short squeeze and GTII fall 33%? GTII went from $1.45 to $1.13, which would lose you $3,300 if you have a position in GTII right now. Guys, this is serious. If you want to learn how to trade, you need to be a part of our free Discord. This is because most traders actually work for banks, and so they take your money, okay? They work for the banks, and so they take your money and they give it to the banks by telling you to buy bad stocks at bad times, okay? And when stocks are actually going to squeeze, they don't tell you. When TRKA is actually going to squeeze, nobody's talking about it but me, because I'm one of the only traders who's not paid off on YouTube. I'm one of the only traders who is not paid off on YouTube. And if you look at our track record, we have 23 out of 26 winning trades, and we've called 130 short squeezes in the past year. TRKA, CDLX, AHT, back when AHT was $4. We have so many winning trades on this channel announced in advance. RDFN, RLX, AMC before AMC squeezed. There are countless examples. We just got another one on TRKA. Guys, if you are serious about making money, I'm ready to show you exactly what you need to do. Do you keep buying stocks after they go up? Do you keep not taking profits and getting greedy when your stocks actually do go up? Do you not know where to sell? Do you not know where to buy? Then you need to be part of my training program. I will hold your hand and walk you through exactly what you need to do to grow your trading account and quit your day job. This is not financial advice, but I've had huge success with my students. Captain Q just doubled his trading account. You can talk to him on the free Discord right now. If you are serious about learning how to trade, then you need to join our group. Would 100% profits change your mind? We called out WISA stock when it was $1.20. Check it out right here. WISA is actually the stock which I think can short squeeze. WISA can definitely short squeeze at some point. WISA went to a high of $2.68 on May 15th, 2023 today, meaning that we have 135% profits on our WISA trade. Guys, unlike other trading channels, we don't call out 100 different stocks. We don't call out 10 different stocks. We call out 1 or 2 high quality stocks per video, and those stocks have an 85% hit rate. This is how you make money in the stock market. How are you going to make money if half of the trades that you take lose you just as much as they make you? If you focus on the high quality trades that I help you make, if you join the free Discord, then you can make serious money and stop losing money in the stock market. Oh, you got to be a pro member. Of course you do. Go GTII. GTII is up $1.45 at this time. And this guy says, Coda, are you sure GTII stock is not taking off like a jet? Just witness this stock go from $1.02 to $1.47 today within 2 hours. These traders bought GTII, and guess what? These traders lost 33% on GTII. They're not talking a lot anymore. They don't want to talk, and it's sad, but this is what happened. GTII went up a small amount in order to trap them and get them to hold on to false hope. Has that ever happened to you where a stock goes up and you think, oh, this stock is going to keep going up. This stock is going to the moon. This stock is going up so fast, I'm going to make $1 million on this stock. Only to see the stock go down just minutes later? That's exactly what I try to get you to avoid. I try to bring you back to earth. This channel is to bring you back to earth and teach you the habits and skills that you need to be a successful day trader, to be a money-making day trader, to be someone who actually makes consistent profits. Keyword, consistent. You look at my statue here. This is my company statue, the Rocket Day Trading statue. It says consistency is everything. Consistency is everything. Consistency is everything. If you can be consistent, follow a rule set, get in low and sell high, you can make money in the stock market. You can beat the 90% of traders who lose money in the stock market by following the rules and techniques that I teach you on this channel. Look at this. Look at these people. Look how many people lost money on GTII, and look how many people made money when they actually listened to my video on TRKA. Unbelievable. At the end of the day, we don't trade news. We don't trade theories. We trade the chart. We trade what's actually there. You wonder why I'm able to call this many short squeezes and predict this many stock dumps? I've been trading, day trading specifically, for 11 years. We saw the TRKA crash coming. We saw the TRVN crash coming, and we saw the HubC crash before it happened. We tried to get everybody out with a series of videos, but in case you weren't able to see those videos or you weren't subscribed to the channel at the time, I'm going to teach you from here on going forward how to make money in the stock market. My channel will restore your confidence in your ability to trade. That's what I'm meant to do. That's what you're here for. You're meant to make money in the stock market instead of losing it. Guys, let's check out some charts. My friends, TRKA is at over 27 cents right now. We already took most of our profits off the table, but we have a small position in TRKA. You guys can hold a small position of TRKA in case TRKA squeezes more. I want to warn you right now that TRKA is not a buy and hold. Do not hold TRKA for $1 or over $1. Please take profits on TRKA while you were up on your position. I called out the stock low so that you can make money on the stock. Do not lose money on TRKA after I helped you make that money, please. Next, we're going to take a look at GTII. GTII, as we talked about earlier, is down substantially, but it's also near a low right now. I'm not calling GTII out, and I don't like GTII as a trade at all. The stock fell from 184. It went down to 140, where I covered the stock and told you that the stock may fall even more. The stock went down to $1.06, rallied to $1.50, which trapped a lot of new traders in the trade, and then it went all the way back down to 95 cents. This is the stock pattern that traps many traders and causes them to lose money. There's a spike in the stock chart where banks basically lure you in, get you to think this stock is going up or it's going to come back to your break-even price, and so you don't sell because it comes up so fast, but then the stock goes right back down and you end up losing money by holding your position. This is a very dangerous pattern to be a part of, and which is why I highly recommend that you do not buy stocks like GTII and hold them overnight. They just aren't safe stocks. I recommend high quality stocks like the stocks I give out every single day in my Discord channel. I give out pro callouts where basically the stocks that I trade, the same winning trades that you see on this channel day after day, you're going to get those delivered straight to your inbox Once you make consistent profits, how easy is it going to be to quit your day job? That's what I want to do for you, is have you take one trade in the morning, use 1 hour of your time, and then have the rest of the day to do whatever you want. What would it be like if your life was like that? Help me help you make that possible by joining the free Discord and letting me help you win some trades. Have an amazing rest of your day, guys.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Koda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Koda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?